Where are you going? Come on. Zoe. Woo! Oh no, where'd you turn it off? Hello guys, today we are going to be going out to do fireworks and bonfire night. Like and subscribe. Hello guys, we have got the fireworks here.
Where's the metal corona?
Like and subscribe. As you can see, this is the bonfire.
Well, it's bonfire night.
Like and subscribe.
But I'm going to be teaching you the reasons why we celebrate bonfire night. The reason is because a very long time ago there was Catholic people and they weren't treated very fairly. So they decided to blow up the House of Parliament in London, and they were going to use gunpowder. But unfortunately, before they light it, they were caught, and it was very sad, and they got sent to jail. The king at this time was King James I, and make sure you
Like and subscribe.
and done. So today, Ava is going to give us the reasons why you need to be safe with a sparkler. Go.
So the reason why you need to be safe with a sparkler is because if you touch it, it will really burn. And even if it's out, it will still be really hot from the fire. And to be safe, since I'm older, I'm not going to wear any gloves. But you need to wear gloves if you are little and you haven't.
And you can spell your name with it. And that is why you be careful with sparklers, because someone nearly got poked. Thank you, everybody. Now, if you get burnt by a sparkler, what I'm going to say is you get a bucket of water. So come with me, and I'm going to show you how you simply do it. This one's a very special one. If you have any ice packs, you can use your ice packs. What we're simply going to do is we're going to get this bowl. I'm going to fill it up with some cold water. Now this water isn't the coldest. So I'm going to get some ice. What I'm going to do, so I'm going to simply pop it in, and I think that'll be enough, as this is going to save some ice. You dip your hand in. If it's a real emergency, you put all of them you've got in, and you simply rest your hand here. We had someone at our house that has burnt their hand, so we did this.
Yep, very bad.
It was my
fault by accident.
No, she walked behind you and accidentally touched it. Now I'm going to eat the ice. Goodbye everyone, and make sure you like and subscribe.
So you need to make sure that you don't burn yourself when you're doing it.
So we're going to roast our marshmallows. If you're little, I would suggest having gloves or have an adult with you. We are going to burn it, and I don't want to bore you with my talking, so we're going to wait until they're completely done. So, you may not be able to see, but we're about to light some fireworks! Aren't we, Willow?
Yeah.
So, Willow sadly got burnt. 3,
2, 1.
Oh!
Mum's like, three, two, oh.
Oh!
Where is River? She's with Blair.
Ooh.
There's marshmallows.
And they're quiet ones, they're not loud. Yeah.
Which is the best thing.
Yeah.
Where are they?
So, only little. So only let your adult light them, as it's extremely dangerous. As they shoot up really quickly.
No. Whoa. Oh, that was a loud one.
Right, who's picked it anymore? There's more. Who's picked it? Yeah, pick one.
Right.
That's a rocket. Pick another one.
So these are some more of our choices. If I was to choose, I'd probably do the Starlight. Finn, what one would you choose?
Okay, they're not very loud, these ones.
Okay.
Have we lost it?
I really don't want to bore you that much, but there has been loads of explosions, which are of course fireworks. You might hear some when I'm talking. And yeah, very interesting. Isn't it, Ava?
Yeah, very. Me.
Why do we have to let our grown-ups light fireworks?
Because if you were a child, if you go up close to a firework while it's shooting up, it's really dangerous because you could explode. Your body could explode. And since you're small, you can't run that fast. So if you don't run away in time, then you'll explode. You won't
And
be safe.
this is one of the most busiest times for firefighters, ambulances and police because it's super dangerous.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you, Willow. Make sure you do that. Whoa!
Don't you go up?
Yeah, should we go down a bit closer?
Oh.
Okay.
Up.
Up.
High one.
What? Bang! And bet your trees fall down. No, don't do that.
You're gonna break it.
So, my dad is lighting them. As it is safer for parents.
I'm scared it might kill us. Come on.
Here it comes.
Here it goes.
Ah, so they're my favourite.
Wow!
Okay.
That was like a water fountain.
So now we are sitting on my hot tub.
That
Watching
was
the
like
fire.
a water fountain.
I saw they're my favourite.
It's a water fountain. I mean a fire
So,
fountain.
Ava, what do you think about the fireworks?
Well, they're quiet ones because Harry's cousin, is really sensitive to loud noises. She doesn't like loud noises.
Which is why Willow is wearing some headphones. I don't want you to see her, but that thing is some of them.
This is really bad.
So here,
Can't get killed by that.
Probably get killed by that.
Okay, Theo, which one do you want?
And then, can I have the big one? I have the big stick.
The big stick.
Yeah. Not the rocket. No. Big. Get some too. I can't because they're big. Say that.
Ava, what are we about to do with the firework?
We're about to do one that is really high enough.
So we need to be extremely careful, don't we, Finn?
Yeah. Can I have some headphones too?
Hold your ears.
Okay.
I don't think it's going to be loud because it said these are quiet, but I'm not 100% sure. There's the fire.
Can't really hold.
Willow's got her headphones on.
Just try. Okay.
We're all very safe. And as you can hear, there's some more fireworks in the background.
Just hit
Light a massive one.
Aaron, get back a bit.
Oh my god!
There we go.
Oh, the bad one.
I love the fountains.
Why it's really bad if you take it off now.
Ava is not getting too close,
Who's that?
but this is safe fireworks. So,
I'm scared of the house and then it might isn't mine. And that house, do you like that house? Okay, so I just helped Harry's dad to pick the fireworks and hold his torchstick. Let's go look at some fireworks. That's not a firework, that's a wrong one.
here we are. I'm not getting too close. I'm going where the safety limit is. Whoa. So Willow is next to us. And Willow has a reason why this channel's special. What do you like about this channel, Willow?
About all the fireworks.
And the motion and fish tanks. So,
And the car.
I don't think you're going to be able to see, but over here, we do have the fireworks. I know, but when the torch comes, they will. So, Ava, what is very important...
Focus on the fireworks.
Whoa! So before we say that, look at this.
Why don't you go over there? There's a better view. Like a really better view. I think it's bird view there.
Just a couple more. We got.
So here are the fireworks.
We've got this one. What is
That one, and then the Catherine wheel. I don't know how we're going to do that shit. Right, so this. Who wants the rocket?
Me.
Me.
Who's going to like the rocket?
Me. I want to like the rocket. Oh, I think we have this.
So what is really important of being near
Alright,
these,
this is all of them. Right, who
that you don't drop them, because if you drop them, they're broken. And then you have to be careful. Here. Hold your ears. I don't think it is very loud. None of these fireworks are. 2, 1, go! Whoa! Whoa! So my dad goes near the fireworks as they have turned off, and I think he's lighting another one.
What's wrong? Rainbow, are you okay?
Yay! Let's have big ones. Everyone, make sure you cover your ears.
The biggest ones. The biggest ones.
Willow is covering her ears.
In the whole entire pack.
Not many people like noise.
Ready, 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 ready,
I thought it was going to be the big one. Never mind. The reason why we're doing this for you is because it usually costs a lot of money to go to your own fireworks place. So we've bought some fireworks to show you along and give you some safety rules. I quite like these ones because they're not noisy. Everybody can watch them without being scared.
Thank you all for coming with us to our journey to the bonfire and the fireworks. Obviously it was at our home, but it's still fine. And I'm having a sleepover with Harry, so I'm here the whole day.
And we've got another firework in a minute, so should we go along and see it?
Yeah. Like and subscribe.
Let's go!
And let's do it.
We're coming!
Subscribe, that's because, yeah, I don't really know why. But
So we're going to go on the trampoline. And I'm going to film it. Yeah. Whatever it's called.
oh no, this is a squelchy bit and I didn't squish it.
It's alright, it's not too bad.
It's going on!
Everybody appreciate the fire.
Where's it going to light?
Thank you for watching!
So the reason why I wanted to be a YouTuber with Harry is because my dream was to be a YouTuber. I always used to be in the mirror and just like pretend I was on a camera and like do like dances and stuff. And I've always wanted to be a YouTuber, so yeah.
Hello guys, I've been doing YouTube since the 17th of October this year, 2025, and I wanted to do it because I've always wanted to give entertainment to kids, and like Ava said, I love looking in the mirror and just pretending I'm on a camera or imagining I'm doing YouTube, and yeah, this way. Bye!